Go.
All right, lovely morning for us in Mumbai, Maharashtra, especially. Vasanti joining us from Cal, probably not as nice there. Here we've got great news. We've got a lockdown that isn't, which is like my TV show. We're going to talk about that in a second, but I'm so happy, so excited that once again they've shut everything and it's business as usual, not being business, which is going to be fun. So this anxiety of last April, I want to just remind everybody, as bad as you feel about yourself, this is not a rant. This is just a suggestion to help a positive flow of thought, which I think we need right now. As bad as you feel for yourself, remember that there are people who are suffering more than you. And I mean people whose birthdays were in April or are in April. Because that's 2 Aprils in a year or in a row where they don't get to celebrate at all. So, haha, not so bad for us. I've had one bad August. Let's see. Maybe by August, I won't have to do this again. But April, you suck. All right. That's our rant for the day, come philosophy. And now we talk to our three lonely friends. We'll begin with Vasanti, who's far away. Are you in Cal or somewhere else in West Bengal?
See, which is why I take care, Cyrus, to establish my frame. Do you see Tagore's calligraphy and painting in the background?
Of course, my learned eye. Immediately I said Tagore. I mean, I didn't hesitate. Unlike Amit and Silvery, is it Da Vinci? No, no. For me, it was Tagore.
Yeah,
Of
no,
course,
I
there's
know.
one leading parliamentarian who looks like him at the moment, whose name I can't mention.
No,
Who's
you
grown his
can't.
hair long.
Yeah,
Is he a parliamentarian?
Of
is
course,
it?
he
Is it?
is. You can't be
He's
the prime minister just like that. You've
I
got to be
thought.
a
Oh,
member of parliament.
okay, all
Yeah.
right.
No, it's
Amit, you
to
of all
further
people.
establish geography.
Oh, that's vulgar. That for a minute scared me. I thought, oh God, what's happened there?
Yeah, yeah.
Didi's taken action. Yeah.
I am in a state
Are
where,
you really eating that? Tell the truth. Don't lie.
yeah. In fact, I just had two Radha Bollobis with dom aloo. See, you can hear Didi in the background. In
What did she
case, I
say?
mean, नहीं, वो वाली दीदी नहीं, ये वाली दीदी. She's Maloti. Maloti.
As
And
any
so she'll
man
make
from
an
Gurgaon
appearance
will
in the
tell
show.
you, सब हमारी दीदी हैं. Carry on. हाँ.
No, and this resourceful. She makes jol khabo, cha khabo. I mean, she keeps asking. Except that I have no clue, just no clue what else she kind of. It just seems like poetry of Tagore. Uske
Yeah.
baad, then I just say, "Ami
The,
Bangla janti."
the Bengali words, even the Gali sound beautiful. You'd probably accept them happily if you come from, say, North or where we are. But what I like about Bengali cuisine, what I know is there's no question. It's like Parsi cuisine. There's no question of diet. Nobody's ever thought कि maybe हल्का सा कम करो यहाँ पे caloric intake is too much or fat content or whatever. They just go for a good tasty dish. I'm glad that there's some cultures left in the world who feel that way because most of them are turning around and saying, no, we have to figure about our lives. We'll die early, this, that, and the other.
Not Bengalis and the Bangla people. At least the hosts, my friends who've been trying to take me out to different hotels are utterly disappointed with me that I'm a vegetarian. They don't know
Huh.
what to do with me. And one of them even called me home Kosturi. Otherwise, I was going around calling Kasturi in my very South Indian way. And Kosturi fed me this. And she said, like, what do I feed you? And then she finally ordered paneer on Swiggy.
So Kasturi in Bengali is paneer, and Kasturi to us is a Tambram guy. So it's like
Tamram
really,
guy.
yeah, not bad. Huh? I know I've grown. Don't worry about all these people you've mentioned. I've grown up with. I have working knowledge of a lot of them. But let's get back to what you mentioned. The vulgar display of what you just said to us three Mumbaikars. As I get invited to very different hotels and restaurants. Ha ha! Silvery and Amit, you will not be going to any restaurant or hotel till May 1st, and even then I doubt it
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's
because
gonna be a
they've just
while.
bought time till then. Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
gonna be a while for sure. But yeah, no. But should we do the let's do the election stuff first, and then we can come to this.
Or like you
The,
want to get it out of the way because you don't want to talk about
no,
it too
Vasanthi
much.
is not here. Vasanthi is not with us for a long time. That's why I thought let's just kind of do.
Where's
Yeah,
she
yeah.
going? Where are you going,
I'm
Vasanti?
I'm a woman of few minutes.
Yes, that's why I thought let's get the election stuff
My
first
favorite
going.
woman.
Besides few words.
Sorry, only Indian comedians laugh at themselves, laugh at their own jokes. I think we're trained in our culture from the great Shekhar Suman downwards that you have like a timing thing where you say your line and then you start laughing yourself so others understand it's funny. It's like that. It's a very again culturally
No, no,
different.
Cyrus, I look at it differently. I would like to take a kinder look at. I know you're very self-deprecating in your humor. I would just like to say this is part of the self-help tendency, na? If nobody else laughs, at least you laugh and help yourself. As in, It's great.
Atmanirbhar. What is it? What is it, Amit? That long Sanskrit word?
Atmanirbhar.
Atmanirbhar.
Atmanirbhar. Yes.
Yes,
So I'm
yeah.
fulfilling the government requirement.
We are all Atmanirbhars.
By the way, did you have your COVID jab, Mr. Amit?
I did.
You did?
I did.
Was it painless? As in easy?
I was tired the next day, but other than that, I was good.
No. The actual process, how
Oh
long
yeah,
was it?
super simple.
I don't care about After Effects. I care about the pain of standing in a line.
Super simple. It took.
The break, I thought.
Sorry.
Wait.
I thought he cares for the pain of the.
Let's have a
Ah,
pregnant
okay,
pause.
yeah.
Amit, you kill the humor. You can never ask her to repeat a line delivered deftly like that by a senior
But because,
comedian.
unfortunately, I,
I mean,
could
you
not hear the
really
line. I
out
could
of my
not-
auditorium. How can you do that? Never
Sir-
say pardon when the line has been. Oh God!
Cyrus, I'm sorry, but I have
We had
like
one nice joke in the
wide
whole show.
variance. I have wide variances in volume. You are coming in very loudly. She's coming in very softly. So
But
the
she's the
adjustment
one with the
took
wit. So try and whenever she opens her
I
mouth,
know.
everyone
So
keep
I
quiet.
need to pay more attention.
Yeah, you can talk over me as you notice. It makes no difference to the opinion. Yeah, jab. So I have to go and get that jab done.
Yeah. No, but it was very easy. It was fairly simple.
Can you choose the nurse or like it's like whoever comes?
Nah, it wasn't. It was a doctor. No, I mean like a doctor.
Oh,
gives
damn.
it- Yeah.
I don't want a male. I feel it's very intimate. I want a female. Is that okay? Or is it too much to ask the government?
I don't know that you're going to have much of a choice. You want to go in and out in 30 minutes.
So it's
So
like
Cyrus,
whoever.
I heard that Covishield is applied by a female and Covaxin is applied by male. So
Good
you have to choose
Lord,
like that.
that
Yeah.
is.
You have another comedian? Go ahead. Go ahead.
I mean, all those pictures that people have been posting, pretending to be happy with their, vaccine. I got the vaccine. I have done my bit for the nation. None of this actually pointed out to this absolutely profound piece of fact research. Antariksha, I'm just
Yes,
so.
I know.
But I like
go
what you're
really deep.
saying. In the to please our government and leaders, everybody wants to put on their Insta that they voted or that they've taken the vaccine or that they're wearing a mask. I'm thinking, why don't you put in your Insta the opposite? I'm naked and hungry, for example. Here I am. I'm Shah Rukh Khan, the world's most famous man, but I have no work and no money and I'm starving. Why doesn't nobody ever tries that? It's always the goody two shoes Instas. They should be banned. They should be taxed extra. That's what
They
I feel.
actually, so this was Bhatia Hospital. They actually had like a Instagram or a photo booth kind of space where you're supposed to go and take your photograph with like, I got my vaccine from Bhatia Hospital, all that kind of stuff there.
Wow. So
and people
look at the
would snap
marketing
pictures.
power of the Indian mind. Even while we're dying left, right, and center, 11,000 per day, we still think about how to make business prosper. I appreciate that, Amit Doshi. I think that's beautiful. Mr. Bhatia, may he rest in peace, I was a good thinker. Somebody working for him is. Vasanthi, where do you have to go in a hurry and spoil our show?
So let's let's
Listen,
talk about this.
I
now.
have to speak to the youth of this country and youth of the state. I've been invited to Calcutta University,
Wow.
and to also Gyan Bato my 2 paisa bit on what I have seen in my travels. Also I thought this is the opportunity to know the
shine.
mind of this.
You'll never get this opportunity again. Cal University may be closed down if the government changes. You're doing the right thing.
So I'm saying that to know the mind of the young, that is people like Cyrus Kochhar. So that demographic.
Make
interests
no
me quite
mistake,
a lot.
Vasanti ji. You are with the youth, and my program is with the what rhymes with youth. Let me be very open. Yeah, we have a different market. Yeah. We'll leave it there because Silvery is very young, and I don't want him
We
to.
will leave it there. We will leave it there. Watch
तमीज
it
से
not.
बात करना पड़ेगा. This is Pawai. Pawai nobody abuses, right?
And moreover,
Never, yeah.
I'm in the land of culture. I'm in the land
Culture.
of culture. Please mind it. I mean, you cannot just. No.
Yeah.
Hobe na.
I hope Bengalis. I just love Bengali. I can't tell you. I feel so happy. Bengalis and Punjabis are my saviors because they are never soft. So I'm not the guy everybody's telling to keep quiet anymore. Get two Bengalis or two Punjabis. I'm happy again because there are more of us. And we go to eat in the middle of our show. What lack of respect.
Okay, see, Didi has got cha. I'm just going to show you. Didi, namaskar.
Namaskar, Didi. Namaskar.
Yeah.
Ame tumhare bhalobashi is all I know, but I hope it's not misconstrued.
Raidev Dada, that's also him. He's trying to make all
Namaste.
for my
Namaste.
comfortable stay.
TMC या BJP?
वो पूछना TMC या BJP?
TMC sir.
TMC.
Yes sir.
Ma'am, Didi, TMC. Didi से पूछना पड़ेगा. What a oxymoron. Didi, TMC या BJP?
TMC ना दीदी ये बीजेपी काके वोट दे रहे
No, Didi is
No
follow
idea.
secret ballot.
Left. She's one of the 3 voters for left.
See, a woman's mind, remember the Titanic line, is as deep as the ocean. Cyrus, you
Forget
can-
that. The fact that she can change her mind in the next whatever few minutes, there's still some voting left, right?
Yeah.
Huh.
And see, this Didi is a very benevolent Didi. Though she has her chabi ka guchha somewhere here. Aapka chabi? Ah, dekho. See, I find this so adorable.
Yeah.
Exactly this
Why,
thing.
why is
So
it kept there, Vasanti? Can you inquire?
it's just out of your reach.
Is she very tall? A WNBA player, is it?
महिला लोग बांग्ला महिला लोग चाबी पीछे क्यों रखते हैं?
अच्छा पीछे ये जो आंचल है, ये जो साड़ी का आंचल है, ये
हाँ।
ये ठीक ठाक रखने के लिए एक तो भारी कुछ चाहिए, इसमें कुछ भारी वेट वाला कुछ चाहिए।
Okay.
पहले वाला का आदमी, पहले वाला का औरत,
हाँ,
ऐसे इसको ठीक ठाक रखने के लिए इसमें भारी कुछ चाहिए, तो क्या रखेगा? चाबी रख लीजिए।
हाँ।
Wow. You've saved so much money culturally. You cancel the concept of banks. All you need is like a pallu with a little bit of a knot, and you put your money inside, and you're safe.
नहीं, and then Didi ने ये भी she added one line. She said आगे का मानुष. She said कि this has been sorted out by I think
Forward-thinking men.
four mothers, by all our 4 mothers.
Aage ka Manush is man.
Yes,
Manush,
आगे का-
Mati Manush. Remember the slogan? Mati Manush.
Oh, okay.
Cyrus.
Very confusing. Bengali and gender, my big challenge.
So see, my cha is very ready to khabo, but still I shall continue to.
No, you imbibe while talking. In any case, you've destroyed our show by discussing the help's problems, and now the help will want new saris and things like that because of you. I'm just warning you.
No, you have in fact gained by getting 3 people for the cost of 1. I
And,
mean,
and 3 non-Mumbaikars. Otherwise, ours is very localized all the time.
I have immensely helped your show ratings by having the real voices of Bengal.
By appearing on the show and being the 4th panelist, you've already increased our rating because we were normally just 3 and 3 listening. So now with 4, we're 1 up, 25% growth. GDP in your face, boys. Yeah. Vasanti, if you really have to go, then we'll hurry up and get into Bengal. If you're hanging for another 20 odd minutes, 25 minutes,
Fine. Ab hang kari lenge.
sach batao. This is Bengali time or Mumbai time?
Let's do the Bengal thing so that we have the option either way, that she can stay if she's free or she needs to leave. She can
I think the dean of the Calcutta University is trying to remove you from here for some reason. Didi passed in the background. It's like a highlight, highlight package of the podcast. And now the gentleman as well.
अगर आप बात करें तो देंगे.
Okay.
धन्यवाद.
While you're discussing issues of the home, he is the son of the lady?
No.
No relation.
No, both of them are.
He's the interpreter.
Different roles. Yes, he's independent.
Okay.
But so resourceful and of course know so much about this thing. So it's a pleasure to talk to them.
Well, we've learned for once we've we've given a nugget of information, Amit, which you can't Google. Okay, for once you can't Google this. This is the great thing about this podcast. You have found that in middle class society in Cal, a lot of women like to keep their money in this palluish area at the back of their gardan, whatever you call that area.
Right.
I mean, this is great news for someone who, when you get married, Suhagrat, you take out the sari, but first you remove the money. So you're very careful initially as you take off the sari and you count the money, you put it away, you seal it, whatever. And after, intercourse, you again put the sari on and again put the money back in.
May I please? I have a question for
Please.
the producer, all of you.
Yes.
Who is the target audience of the show? Is it men or is it women? I mean, let me first get that.
We are like COVID. We attack anyone. We don't really care. We gave up. Amit's a good Gujarati boy who has a sense of market and all that. He started with that and now he's just given up. And it's like, all are welcome. Yeah. Sorry, but it's a very fine point you brought up. A very critical point. Let's.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, it is. So, am I to get ready to say very deep, serious things about elections in Bengal? Is this that moment?
No, we leave that to Amit Shah and Didi. They'll do the serious talk. I just want to know the ground feel at the moment, first and foremost, because we are, stuck with our own problems here about lockdown and all that. That it's suddenly, last week it was very much in our radar, but all 5 elections have gone slightly out because Mumbaikars have local issues right now. So just just give us an idea, but because whatever information we've got is been a little paradoxical and ambivalent, and both sides are winning and all that. So what do you now? You're there.
Yeah. I am this person who's going to give you the definitive answer as to who will take Bengal, and this even without stepping into the districts yet.
Vasanthi, there's no need to be sarcastic. You're there, so you get a feeling. If you had to bet money on it, if you had to bet the sari of that lady with all that
Yeah.
money in it, who
Yeah.
would you bet on? So just give us a.
Since you brought up bets, Satta Bazaar in Calcutta is a big thing. Ask any Calcutta Marwadi, and he will tell you the stakes are pretty high. So of course, whatever I'm going to say is going to can shift all those swings in the market. Having said that, Cyrus, let me put out a disclaimer to all those genuinely serious people who are watching your show, that I am sitting in the capital city of this whatever jewel of the East. I'm yet to step into the 7 districts which tomorrow onwards I will start. Tomorrow I'm
You
Sundarban.
wasted our time. Okay, no problem. We learned.
I wanted some 17 minutes of your airtime, and only then I wanted to put this out so that I have got my you see. But tomorrow I'm off to Sundarban, after which I'm on, of course, this Delta biodiversity hotspot. And then I was supposed to go to Darjeeling and Cooch Behar. I could not go simply because my train ticket did not get confirmed. I was waitlisted at some 13. It's as heartbreaking as that, because both Modi ji and Didi ji are going to be in North Bengal.
And why do 2 politicians have to take an entire train? I've never understood that. I mean, they should get 1 seat each, and they should pay for their own seats. I'm a firm believer that we have to get politicians to pay them better, because you're running the country, give them good salaries, but they must pay from their own. They must have balance sheets at the end of the day. They get away without paying. That is the only reason I want to be a politician. Is actually you don't pay a bill.
It's touching for me that you think that the 2 are taking the train. So we will do that analysis later.
I'm being slapped left, right, and center. I'm sweating. Amit, say something. Yeah. She's just attacking me. I feel like I'm early days of marriage again.
Yeah. And you see the other parts, like I went to Dhakuria. Yeah, I can tell you this much. Dhakuria is a station, to me, very interesting because it is in South Calcutta. This, very nice, posh, whatever, which you will not, at least for me, I was trying
to... How far is it from the Tollygunge Club?
Tollygunge Club I haven't yet been to. Yeah, I went to the Rowers Club. No, that's also another...
CCFC, Calcutta Cricket and Football Club?
Ami Janina.
Saturday Club? These are my hangouts.
You know all these clubs in Calcutta, dude?
Yeah. These are the clubs. These are the clubs, bro. When we were younger. Oh, damn.
Okay.
Yeah. This is where the rich... See, the lovely thing about the rich of India, we're all the same, right? The elite. We all find our little places where other elites are. So, we don't really care about what happens in Singur. We just have to pretend. But she's different. She's blazing a trail on her own, Vasanthi is. Not like me. I'm the last of the elite Mohicans who doesn't care. And just waiting for this COVID to end so I can travel to Tollygunge Club. Sorry, you were saying in South Calcutta.
Yes, I was saying. So there's a station called Dhakuria, which has trains that come in from the south of Bengal. The 24 Pargana districts, the South 24 Parganas and North 24 Parganas. These are people who come in for their livelihood from those places to work in Calcutta, So there's a whole train, for example, it's a women-only train, which has largely domestic workers who come in by morning, 5:30, 6 o'clock, and they're busy getting to their places of work. And in the afternoon, they go back. So actually, I want to go in the train as well one of these days. But what I did for starters was to be at the station where they get off and try to just, get them to speak in their really, in their really busy work time. And some of them were really good enough to do that. Now, one of the, let's say, if you were to ask me what the sense I got, I would say it was largely pro-Didi, pro-TMC.
This is a woman's lower economic structure, capacity train.
No. So there was, every 10 minute there's a train coming in. The train that I told you is one of the trains which is women only. So I also got to talk to a lot of men.
But is it a cross section of classes and all that?
No. Largely, it's, if you had to really have the socio-economic profile, it is the working class.
But working class is huge.
Wagers, yes. So it was a really large, I wish there was a way to share pictures right now. Probably I'll leave that for the next time. So I did a few conversations as well. So one of the men, for instance, said, I said, "Jo Amphan ka jo cyclone वगैरह हुआ, तो कुछ पैसे वैसे आए, did the compensation reach you? He said हाँ वो मिला हमको, बैंक में मिला. There were other women who said हाँ दाल चावल थोड़ा सा मिला, किसी ने कहा नहीं मिला. Now this man said कि मुझे हमको 500 रुपए मिला. तो I said एक ही पूछना था कि ये केंद्र सरकार का 500 या दीदी का 500.
Good point.
So I wanted to be clear who is the giver.
Absolutely.
To which he said वो तो काम करता है मोदी, नाम लेता है दीदी.
Wow.
So this was a
That's
That's
really
a huge.
interesting.
That's a piece of wit as well.
it's headline worthy. And you know, when I recorded this and I was playing it out, I shared on my social media pages. Some of them were like, yeah, it's actually, you know, depending on where you stand as even a non-Bengali who was out, you know, waiting to pass verdict on Bengal, depending on whether you're a BJP supporter or a TMC supporter, you know, you can really take this line accordingly. But the sense that I get even from the cab drivers that I spoke to was that it is Didi who has done a considerable amount of work, particularly in the first 5 years. Remember how she stormed to power in 2018. Yeah. And then things started going horribly wrong. There's been a lot of charges of pilferage. Last night, Cyrus, I went to this citizens platform. I was invited to this program which said, no vote to BJP. Right, so it is citizens led by, I mean, actually it's a students thing which started off as a students initiative and then has some social organizations that have joined, they said. And they named that the name of the program is No Vote to BJP. I don't know where I kept the pamphlet, never mind. So, you know, and then I was just coming back. So first of all, when I went to that place in a place called Patuli Fire Brigade, and I was really interested how much of traction this is getting or whether this is just an elitist thing that, okay, we will not vote for the communal forces, etc., etc. So
just to interrupt, so these are elite sort of people who are anti-BJP. I thought it was the other way around, that the elite are very pro-BJP in Cal.
Okay, so I think that needs to be qualified. I think if I were to talk about the organizers of yesterday's program, it was the educated. I will probably not call the elite, but very social.
Intelligentsia. Got it.
Of students.
People like me, Silvery and Amit, which are different completely.
Yes, I was just about to say that. मुंह से बात छीन ली.
Point is well made. We work as partners. Partnership है यहाँ पे. Go on.
So this, and you know, suddenly all of a sudden rains from nowhere, as if, you know, they had a part to play like a Bollywood film, lashed out, and everybody had to just go into this little shed there, and all of us stood under that. And then after 10 minutes, I thought, okay, kuch hone wala to nahi hai, I might as well get back to my flat. And then the rain stopped and the same fiery speeches started all over again, saying that BJP, this thing, Mohila Virudh, and then Vidyarthi Virudh.
Vidyarthi Virudh?
So, you know, they Chhatra Virudh, they said it was Mohila Virudh. They feel BJP is anti-student, anti-women, anti-minorities, and, you know, they had...
Why would you say anti-Vidyarthi? Oh, they've not got a reputation of being against education.
No, so it depends. See, if only I had my, you know, flawless Bangla some more, though I could have got the nuances. In any case, I plan to meet Kosturi as well as Ashwagato in Coffee House this evening to understand their movement better. But to cut a long story short, after the speeches that I had heard, which were clearly, saying that we don't want to, we would suggest that citizens vote for any other party, but not this one, which they say was divisive, communal, etc. So while coming back, I took a cab, and Calcutta has a good provision to have a motorbike as a cab option. It's called the Moto Cab, as I figured. So I was coming back with this man, and I, as usual, I was prodding him. I said, "Kaun aayega? Aapke state mein kaun aayega?" etc. And he said, "Koi pata nahi kaun aayega, par BJP ko aana chahiye." I'm like, really? I thought I just now heard a whole. And so he
was he Bengali or Bengali immigrant?
No, he was proper Bengali.
Okay.
He was a left, and he made it a point to say that he was this, khandani left supporter. हम लोगों के परिवार में हम लोग लाल को ही वोट देगा. He was that.
अब orange भी लाल होता है ना, in the entire family of colors. If you look at it with lighting properly, red becomes orange. Huh?
No, but that would have made him see red at the moment because he was very unhappy with the red. He said that the BJP is who should come. And I said, but what? अभी तो देखा ना कि वो लोग कह रहे थे no vote to BJP. So you know what he said? He said, just see how many people are there in that were there in that tent that I picked you up from. Hardly a handful. Whereas here in Kolkata, there's a whole lot of people who are supporting BJP. I said, why? He said, jobs. He said, harassment by TMC folks. And incidentally, that's the same thing another cab driver had said, the day before, saying that the cops of Kolkata have any reason to just stop us and fine us 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, jo bhi, saying that whiteboard and this thing. And we feel that it's only the BJP that can teach these guys a lesson, quote unquote. So I said, I just pushed that a little bit. I said, पर कोई कह रहा था कि अगर बीजेपी आएगा तो हिंदू मुसलमान का बना देगा मुद्दा. He said, नहीं ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है मैडम. You should come to our area. Next door to me lives a Muslim. We have no problems living with each other. In fact, both of us, आप शायद तो पूछ लीजिए. Even my Muslim friends say it's better BJP comes. I said, no, I really can't believe this, So to which his explanation was that the TMC people in his part of Kolkata have gotten too rich too soon. And he said कि वो लोग तो देखो हम तो motorbike में हैं, वो तो BMW और Audi में घूमता रहता है, सब अपने लिए पैसा बनाया. तो we don't care religion. We feel that if BJP comes, then they are going to get us jobs and better industry. इतना पढ़ा लिखा लोग है यहाँ पर, industry नहीं है. So it was an interesting perspective for me.
All politics are local.
So you got a two-pronged attack here. So you have one lot which is very clearly rabid anti, saying anti-Vidyarthi, anti-Mahila, all that. And then you have got this lot where the guy is saying whether he's Muslim, Hindu, whatever the hell he is, they have no faith. That's like an anti-incumbency story where you're saying, I just don't want this government.
Yeah.
So this is a very odd thing. So it's not polarized the way we think it is polarized. People are going to vote on all kinds of levels and reasons.
I agree, and also I think there's one more little nuance that I found, that even those who had absolutely disgust for the way TMC that they said had rigged 2018 Panchayat elections in Bengal, large-scale violence. I met one man just outside this whole place where this morning I did my live, and he said, यहाँ तो मतलब सब दादा बन के घूमते हैं. So this high-handedness of the ruling party is something that I hear on and off pretty much in all the, regardless who I'm talking to.
Common man is really, sorry, go on.
But they have a lot of love for Didi.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The common man sounds
factored in.
Across India, the common man sounds like an idiot, because whoever comes to power, this gangsterism happens. Let's face it. Wherever you go, their cronies.
The new goons will take some time to do that.
Okay, so they get a 3 to 6 months window where the goonship apprenticeship happens and whatever, and before you know it, you're just replacing people who are more influential and controlling the little areas, the shakas or whatever you call it in Cal. Nothing's going to really change from that point of view. That's human nature, right, Amit? And the way we are in India.
I think one of the problems is that we, like what you're describing right now, is very little of the vote is happening on ideological grounds, right? It's almost entirely happening.
It's an amazing point. If Vasanti's research is to be believed, that it's not happening on an ideological point.
It's not.
In Calcutta, the place where thinking and soch vichar is still there to some extent.
But I think the fact that people vote without considering ideology, and it can go too far in the other direction as well, where ideology becomes like kind of subservient to everything. But when you don't have any care about ideology, all you're voting out the other person who has annoyed you for the last few years.
Yeah. Very simple.
This gunda for that gunda. It's how our podcast is running. You just change this podcaster for another podcaster. Nobody really cares. These things work. But
flexibility.
But quickly, because we'll have to go into a break, Vasanti, I'm not trying to cut your comedy, which is lovely as well. Your research that you've just done it incidentally, or you're trying to target, like, I'll try and talk to this community or this class of people, or it's incidental that you're meeting this one and that one?
No, one is that, let's say the guiding mantra that I have for what we call the Pickle Jar Coal Express. Pickle Jar, as you know, we started a few years back, which is to really uncovering Bengal through untold unheard voices, untold stories. So it's literally those who have never heard. Like, for example, tomorrow, Sundarbans, my first stop is to meet this lady who is setting up a CBSE school for children of BD workers and tribals in an island which is India-Bangladesh border.
Sorry, I got excited because that lady passed again. She's the star of the show. Sorry, go on.
She's the star, yeah. And the Chabi Ka Guchha, the keys.
Do a
Yeah.
slow-mo demonstration at the end. So back to Sundarbans. Huh.
Yeah, so I'm saying that I'm not really taking the obvious. There she comes again.
Sorry, we hold, show respect, and carry on.
And she has this nice, nice smile like that.
She had a very nice. Her visage was very, what's the word, benign and nice, and you looked at her and felt good. She should have stood for elections. Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm saying that to your question on who I'm looking to talk to, I'm looking to really understand the state better than who the people who are making the state. So tomorrow, like I said, this teacher. But while I am there, I'm going to keep my antenna, open for picking up what's the let's say the political this thing. Who was there first last assembly elections? Who won this? So that's there as a subtext. But the very obvious this thing is to really go and look for the stories that are this thing. So I'm also planning to do a Weaver trail, at this thing, because the other way of looking at Bengal is also that it's so hand work and handcrafts. Yeah, you've got the Jamdani, you've got the Malmal, you've got the Murshidabad silk, and
Do they work? Do they vote as lobbies? I mean, is that also correct? That a guild will work together? I mean, vote together?
I'm really waiting to see this. I don't see weavers coming in as any part of the political speeches, but then what is coming in the speeches is not the truth. Like for instance, yes, like for instance, the Rohingyas. I was really interested, and I was asking people here. I said, "यहाँ पर आपको नहीं लगता कि क्योंकि sitting in Bangalore, we always hear BJP saying that okay, वो लोग घुसपैठी हैं, and these people are शरणार्थी, the refugees and immigrants and invaders.
And they'll be given voting cards and made to vote for TMC and all those rumors have been going on, yeah?
Yeah, so then at least the people, and this is a lovely, beautiful street where I'm in Jodhpur Park. Lot of traders, lot of vegetable sellers and this thing. So I was just sitting and talking to them. That bit they're saying, वो तो हर जगह होता है. And then they gave example of Mumbai. They said, मुंबई में कितने लोग आते हैं हर रोज? तो क्या उससे ये होता है कि जो लोग मुंबई में पहले ही थे, वो क्या कर सकते हैं? I mean, it's just the way things are. You can't make a big issue out of that.
It's called trade and commerce. Life goes on. Okay, listen, we have to take a break, Vasanthi. As usual, talking so much that my two other men have been silenced forever. No wonder men can't handle women. You can see from their outlook. But are you staying with us? Because I want to ask a little bit more about Bengal.
Yeah. I'll probably stay for
10 minutes? 10 minutes, we'll be done.
Wrap it up.
Okay. So here's the break. Here's us out of the break while Vasanthi sips on a much needed coffee or tea, or I'm not sure what it is, cha. The question I want to really quickly ask you before we go to AMAs is, what about this whole Mithun Chakraborty BJP turn to the Bollywood or Bengali wood or whatever it's called? What about that? Is that going to count? Tollywood, correct. Huh. So will that count for anything? Because I don't think it's like the South where they have such a presence with the voter.
Well, even Kamala Hassan, has only that much. I mean, even Ulaganayakam Kamala Hassan has only that much of a thing in Tamil Nadu. If you really speak to,
you think he won't make an impact now that we've gone to South?
I'm going to reserve my comment because I'm not traveling in.
I'm not saying you can topple DMK and AIDMK in 10 minutes, but are you saying that the voter will not be intrigued by, firstly, Rajni, who honestly is probably arguably the biggest star of entire India, and then Kamala Hassan, who, whether you like it or not, has got a lot of good equity from the common man?
No. And I think, you know what, I really have not gone on the ground at all this season in Tamil Nadu, so I don't know. But, the equity with the common man and what their fascination for him on screen are absolutely two different things.
You're giving a great political consciousness to our voter, which I honestly am a little cynical about. You're telling me that they're able to separate the great celebrities from the actual politicking and the political process that they're capable of?
So here's what it is. Whether it was MGR, Jayalalitha, Karunanidhi himself. I mean, there was a time and place when the masses were really swayed to the extent that we saw in Tamil Nadu. But I think if Jayalalitha were to now start her career in today's Tamil Nadu,
she'd struggle
to reach the sort of dizzying heights of political power and this thing. And I've really had a discussion with the cab drivers of Madras, just as much as I try to get it here, because they are the ultimately aware voters and people on, having the political pulse. So I don't think it's, and then to therefore bring it back to Bengal, from what little I have seen, that doesn't seem to be a big factor. Even Mithunda, in fact, one of the friends, journalist friends I was talking to, even felt that they are no longer relevant. And so it's really about relevance.
No, but you've got my age group people who grew up on Mithun, for example, and I would presume the Bengali is even more crazy about him. So that's a lot of voters also. Please don't be mean to us. 40 plus. Say, what do you think, Amit? He would have some hold, wouldn't he? He wouldn't have a hold on the younger ones because he's not there.
I mean, to an extent.
Have you seen Hitler?
Well,
This
to an
movie
extent,
Hitler.
but well, no, I've seen many Mithun movies. Like I haven't seen Hitler.
But
But
these are the Uti, the one shot in Uttarakhand.
I saw a
In 3
lot of
weeks.
them. I was.
Oh, that's a legend. I am a disco dancer. Come on, let's hear it, Silvery.
That's a real movie, though. I think.
Are super.
You're talking about all the movies that were
We
shot.
have all suffered, Bapida.
But I think you're talking about the hotels that the movies that were shot in his hotel, right? In Ooty.
Yeah.
The factory hotel. That was a very fascinating time, right? I mean, like all these movies being made at one time, out of there, all of them making lots and lots of money for people who were doing it. I was thoroughly fascinated by that whole time.
But let's get back to the political process here for a second. You think that Mithun, with his legendary status, and whether you like it or not, there is legendary status, doesn't make any impact?
Well, really, the jury, I'm sure, will still be out of that. But, that brings me to a very interesting point that Mithun Chakraborty himself started. I remember reading, as a schoolgoer about his so-called Naxal connections. And that was how, let's say, a Bengal of that era also, you can relate to that. The fact that it was ultra left. And for him to evolve and his
Ultra right.
BJP to this thing, it also says something about.
But that was also, may I say, a Bengal which was slightly ultra left, at least in speech, not in practice. So a lot of intelligentsia and other classes were all veering towards left, and now that the tide has turned, even in Bengal, it appears.
Yeah, but then see, there are those, like, for instance, yesterday the group of students and citizens who I saw who said no vote to BJP because they hold on to values that they think are absolutely non-negotiable. Like there is this set, and I have met that set again and again in these past few days, who said that there's no way we will let the BJP come in, and that's because Bengal stands for something. We cannot stand Hindu Hindi party imposing their culture on us.
There's a poignant point here, which I think maybe I'm wrong, which is that they are anti-BJP more than they are pro-TMC. It's like that. It's like whatever happens, keep the BJP out. We don't want this influence.
Good God, what a line that was just.
No, because that's important because it's now.
That's something like. Can you please repeat it?
I'm just saying it's like hate-based politics. So you say we don't want these guys. It's not about who we do want. It's not about what we don't want. Generally, it's a positive thing about my football team better than your football team. You don't really hate the other team. You just want, say, Liverpool to beat Chelsea. But in this case, we're down to football. I'm sorry, Amit. You can put in your basketball boys. And somebody broke some record 2 days back. I read about it, but I can't remember their names. So no, but Vasanthi, this hate politics, it's almost like going back to Shiv Sena in the 60s, where you literally, you just push out hate agenda, which again, in spite of the fact that they're left, is a little scary because the left starts thinking like the right only. There's no real difference because it's all about hating the other person. Yeah. I'm not talking about John Lennon's Imagine and all, but I'm just a little worried that everybody wants to live off hate. It's negative politicking.
Yeah. So as far as the political class is concerned, I think that is the win which they will milk and try to consolidate the votes. This thing, but I am saying that somehow that thing of hate in the absolute working class or this thing, which in my interaction, like I was telling you, with the vendors on my street or in Dhakuria station or with the cab drivers, this thing doesn't seem to be. It's not like people are walking around with that kind of this thing saying that yes, the BJP is right or this is what we have got to. So, but there's also this sort of disappointment, I would say, a lot of people with the left, because for them, they would have liked the left to be an option. It's almost like even in the national politics.
How did it disappear so quickly?
Yeah.
Because the left in India has always...
But you guys realize it happened overnight. Not a segue.
It's fairly undemocratic, right? The left in India has always been like kind of very weird kind of this, right?
3 elections back, they were a power. Now
They
they're
were.
not even. She won't even. She's mentioned the left for the first time
Mhm.
in her entire discourse. It's
Yeah.
almost like they're irrelevant.
And it's a good thing that they are. I'm sorry, but I because that's the one place where ideology does come in, and I see the
You don't want the
ideology.
left. You don't want the right. You can't find the center. God knows what the TMC is. So
I
what do we
gotta look.
do?
Gotta look for the center. No, that's the thing. You
Who
always
is
have
the
to look for
center?
it. You have to look for it. It's not there right now, but you have to look for it. No, you can't accept communism, but at the same time, you can't accept communalism, right? You have to kind of find something which is neither one of those two things.
Also, I think Vasanti made a point we've not talked about. I know we hijacked the show with this, which is also this anti-Hindi. Now, anti-Hindi, not so much the language per se, but the culture of North India being when strong cultures like Tamil Nadu and Bengal will not. I find it very hard because for them it's a huge issue. Even if
You
they
know,
speak
Cyrus,
Hindi,
I want to tell you this that when I was leaving Bangalore, I told this friend who's a Tamil who was schooled in Bengal of the 70s and 80s. And I told her, I said, oh gosh, I don't know the language. I don't know how much it's, I may miss on the nuances of reporting. I want to travel with a translator. This is it. So she said, one thing, remember that the Bengalis have a lot of empathy and affection for South Indians. I'm like, yes, we are so loved here. And she said that's also because of the same common, enemy or this common sort of this thing, against Hindi imposition. So she said that she was a darling child of the Jadavpur University, this thing because she was TAM. And so I think that thing of a very, very strong sense of identity that Bengalis carry with them, which is why that, while a Kannadiga, I come from Bangalore, so a Kannadiga will go and adjust anywhere in this thing.
no, but Vasanti, you're a unique specimen because you've lived all over India. I wish everyone had your experience because it makes you actual Indian. But unfortunately, a lot of us don't. We just live in pockets and then we can't get out of that pocket thinking.
Yeah. But then wherever we stayed, Cyrus, I was telling you in UP or Bihar, wherever, we would see that Malayalis and Bengalis always had a sort of a clannish.
Yeah,
thing
that's
that-
a fair assessment.
Yeah.
Even in school and college, I would say they were the only two who would speak the mother tongue amongst the elite. We would not speak in Gujarati, even it just wouldn't happen. Very rare. But they would all speak in the mother tongue.
Yes. So
Yeah,
I
that's a
think
good
the
point.
sense of pride and identity is very, very
Strong,
important.
strong.
And that somehow also is a factor when it comes to elections, that people wish that there was another option to TMC and the anti-incumbency, the harassment, the high-handedness that they see. But that option somehow sadly seems to be this outsider called the BJP party.
No, but really, if you notice what you're saying, it's almost like the opportunity is there for a political party, a new one, to sort of shine because there's enough angst against everybody and everything, and there's cynicism against everyone, and lack of belief in the system. So right now, actually, if you look at it, there is a chance for like a Kejriwal or some new party or regional party to come up. So it's really sad that the left wasn't able to reinvent itself. For
I'm
example,
sorry, the moment you said that, I'm closing my eyes and thinking of a Bangla guy with a muffler. And of course,
half Kejri, half Banerjee. Kejri Banerjee.
Kejri Banerjee, but this
Kejri
time the monkey cap, the Bangla favorite. But I don't think there's any new this thing.
The audience is shouting, Khasi, Khasi, please. They won't want to come to hear him cough.
Vasanti, I have a question.
See-
What about is other parties gearing up for, like, say, violence or rioting, or does it seem like that?
Just sorry, she bowed at the same time as me. Now carry on. Huh.
Sorry. Does
Yes,
it seem
I
like
said.
the
No,
parties
so-
are gearing up for violence or rioting, say, when the election ends in May?
Expecting a lot of brutality.
So I had been so much forewarned even by my friends here in Calcutta, saying, you're really sure you want to take this thing because we are known for this political violence, etc. Sitting in Cal, I can get carried away, but that okay, everything seems to be fine. But at any time, and this is what I was told as well, that this is in the DNA of the state. Those who have spent their time in the 70s, 80s, or whatever, know that it takes just less than a moment for a situation to completely change or erupt in that sense. If you ask me, right now, the city, I have seen so many speeches at street corners. And there was this place called Tiljala police station, and I was supposed to go to some one house. And people are just crowding around that. COVID be done, no mask, whatever, that's another story. But there are these passionate speeches. I saw something in the forward block in another Park Street side. So there are a lot of these that are on. but none that was really on the brink of anything turning into. I think it was just that, okay, this is what we feel, but the real one will emerge when we hear from the districts. And I must say that given what we know about or expect from Bengal, in that "Arey, ye to aisa hi hai," that really hasn't happened. I mean, even places like South Paraganas or the North or Murshidabad, where people expect a certain violence, maybe, but it's still early days. Remember that there's 8 phases, and April 29th is the last date.
Yeah.
May 2nd is the results. So
They've
what do
also
we really know in the
they
next few days?
they've also got a deployed army and this and that and police personnel, etc. everywhere. So hopefully they've, as you said, the troubled areas, they've got people. But it's amazing why Bengal has, in spite of its culture, that one side that we have, it's always had a notorious reputation when it comes to elections and muscling, killing, dacoity, whatever gundagiri, whatever you want to call it. That seems to also be par for the cause, which goes hand in hand with the fact that, is it almost because they're supposed to be the most passionate people of India, go to a football match and cheer for the wrong club and see what happens? Or
Yeah. No, on that question of yours, I want to really put out to the nation through your show what I discovered, which
there's
I
no nation
really
watching unless it's people in poor Myanmar, where they, this is all they can get to punish them more. Yeah.
you never know. Maybe maybe there's a message deluge that you and I are not able to.
Vasanti, if I could speak a second language well in this country other than bloody English, I struggle with Gujarati and Hindi, and I know who to talk to, and I can't speak anything else. I would have become a politician. I feel it's my job because I have to
I don't
promise
think
and
you
not
should let
deliver,
it-
which I do.
I don't think you should let that little thing stop you at all.
But
No.
but we have an English politician called Arnab who's doing fine. How to topple him? So
Yeah.
it's going to be a bit tight there.
Or for Mr. Tharoor, who also has made a career in.
He speaks some other language. It's still to be deciphered. Years later, our next generation will try and translate that for us. But sorry, what
Yeah,
were we
so,
talking
so
about?
I think I'll make this one last point and then I shall get going, which is to say that this difference um, between, or rather, let me put it this way, between East Bengal and West Bengal. I had no idea about, let's say, the conflict or the way East Bengal people.
Is this a communal perspective?
It's not communal really, but it's cultural for sure. I'll tell you an example. I got taken to a restaurant which specializes in Bangladeshi cuisine. It's called, I don't know why, again, Kasturi. So, but very, very good food. And then I was telling this friend of mine, Sucharita, I said that I heard that East Bengal and Bangladesh have a very, very distinct food culture. And I got to know that they pride themselves that they will not waste even a little bit of the plant or vegetable, and they are known to make very, very lovely stuff with that. And she said, yeah, and therefore even the way the fish, the march that this region eats, versus what the other eats. So I
The
was told,
Hilsa divide.
yeah, Elish divide. I got told by another East Bengal friend. She said that if you were to tell me what fish you eat, I can tell which part of Bengal you're from. I mean, whether you're not.
Again, to interrupt, so this is not Hindu West Bengal and Muslim East
No, no,
Bengal.
no.
This is just region without
Yes,
religion.
yes, region. And so, I also asked a few people to understand this better. That therefore, it used to result in a lot of othering. I mean, so much so that people of East Bengal origins could even find it difficult to find homes in Calcutta a few decades back.
Wow.
Yeah, like they can guess with their surnames or with the way you
So
cook
that's the power of regionalism. This
Yeah.
is ism we are not dealing with enough. We talk too much about communalism and casteism. Regionalism is totally different. So they're
Yeah.
culturally divided, although they come from the same stock, but culturally divided on food grounds, literally.
food. Yeah, I'm sure
Subcultural grounds, food and things like that.
Rabindranath Tagore came from East Bengal. Satyajit Ray came from East Bengal. So there's also this thing of being, of a higher intellectual, literary heritage. I saw this even when I was covering Andhra elections. That whole Telangana.
So who the hell came from West Bengal then? Saurav Ganguly.
Dada must have come.
Dada's come.
Must
Dada's
have
come.
from. Yeah. I
Will-
think.
So okay, listen, we're running out of time. So quickly give us your put your money where your mouth is now. Be honest and tell us, who do you think is going to win? You have a perspective now. You must be having some right or wrong, some idea.
Cyrus, if I were to really, bet all my material possessions on this planet by just like travel in Calcutta, then, I would go bankrupt. very soon.
I'll talk to our producer. Amit, can you loan 1,000? Actually, Akshay Kumar, I did a film with him a few years back, and he forced me to play in between the shots to play cards, which I don't like at all. And I, of course, said I had no money. So he promptly removed some Mauritian money and gave it to me to play with. So we have to do the same, act of noble largesse. Can you offer maybe 10 grand for her to put money on TMC or BJP? Come on, now just give us one.
As of now, TMC.
Oh. In maths terms, 53-47. In mathematical terms, can you give us a quantification?
मैं तो मतलब, I am the Harshad Mehta of elections.
Look, it is a small percentile. Or
No bank savings. The Cyrus have a heart. Why?
no, it's a small percentile in front. It's a small thing, or you feel TMC will crush in the end, in spite of everybody saying it's a dogfight.
Sorry, you're saying TMC will
No,
crush?
I'm asking you for your perspective. Do you think it's going to be close and the maths is very little, 19-20 as we say in Hindi, or is it going to be a dogfight till the end? And literally the way they've been saying that it's really neck and neck.
I don't think it will be neck and neck somehow. I have great friends in the BJP, and if they by chance happen to be you said some 10 people are watching the show, and they say the 11th and 12th are like
your bad luck that this one show everybody watched. Yeah, there were 8,000 shows nobody took a look at. Yeah,
but
this is just a guess. This doesn't mean you're anti. We're not asking for.
I just think there's this whole let's say there are 294 assembly seats in this thing. So will BJP cross the halfway mark? Let's just leave it at that. I feel yes, they may not cross the halfway mark, but they will still make a mark. Is that good enough?
That's talking like a politician. You don't have to speak in Bengali to tell me I'm confused. Isme kya hai? You could take any of your 7 languages that you know and it would sound the same.
With this, I've ensured a political career for myself, hopefully in the future.
Will Mithun win his seat?
Mithun Nada will win.
He'll win.
Yeah. I mean, come on.
They put him in a safe seat only. They would never put him in a seat that he would possibly lose.
But you never know how the voter feels. You're doing what we call shendi. Suddenly out of it happened to Urmila also here. No? They put her propped up last minute in North Mumbai somewhere, and she was sort of rejected, for whatever reason.
Yeah, but that wasn't a Congress stronghold that they put her up in.
Yeah, but also I don't think that as Vasanti mentioned, as many people care so much anymore. Like in the MGR phenomenon days and all, where there's no question, there's no contest.
But I think that what you want when you look at an actor, right, whatever that is, you want the actor to be somebody who is going to be communicating on your behalf in the future, right? And for that to happen, you can't expect. Also, if you're a political party and you're smart in any way whatsoever, you cannot expect any actor, ex-actor, current actor, whatever, to work as hard as a real politician does. Right?
Yeah,
they just don't. So you have to give them a safe seat.
If the BJP is turning to disco to save the party, I think it's the right direction to go. I have no problem if he goes and just ooh. That ooh is enough for me to vote for him. Sylvie, can you do the ooh?
Ooh. Is that the word?
Vasanti, let's hear your ooh.
I really want Mithun Dada to yes. So
I would have liked
Veena
Bappi to be the chief
votes,
minister. I love him. Bappi would have been the best chief
you want
minister
him to be the chief minister?
of Bengal.
I see.
I
Since
just,
your vote so count. Yeah.
because for one thing, the chief minister can go on to any airport and, with all that jewelry or whatever he's wearing, no one can question him, They don't actually get frisked, for example. They actually just walk through. So I think for me, it would be a treat. But Vasanti, do you want to go? You want to join us for AMAs?
Oh gosh.
5 minutes.
No,
you'll be done.
let her go. Let her go. Let her go right now. She's coming in over the next couple of weeks over multiple times.
Unless you see something leaping at you that only I can answer.
Yeah. Okay. Then there are two. There are
Because
two.
11 o'clock is dog walking time, whether it's elections or lockdown. Bolo?
Yeah, so there are two which are related to the Bengal elections. First one comes in from Sachin Jangam. He says, is Didi rocking the leg cast look in this election season? She seems to have found a good way to tackle BJP.
The whole injury that happened or didn't happen.
So,
She's a rock star anyway. And I that is the bit that, she, I mean, if somebody can throw drama at drama, and be the drama queen of the other,
But
the
Vasanti,
other side.
in
is full.
sports, we have characters like I remember Arjuna Ranatunga, Sri Lankan captain who won the World Cup for them in '96. Famous for the first run he took, then holding the hamstring. It was like poetry. He would take a single and then he would back of his leg would be clutched. Then he'd call the guy and then the runner would come. It was just like that's the rule. Diego Maradona, famous for not being touched and falling, and South American acting at his best. So similarly, as you said, not a negative trait. It's fun, the drama.
Yeah.
But do you think people buy
Yes,
all
yes,
this?
and
Does
I
it
think
matter?
why not? Yeah. And you heard that speech of hers, didn't you? Where she said, Ami Bhayankar, Ami Bengal, Royal Bengal Tiger, not Tigress.
Who could hurt a
Yeah.
Royal Bengal tiger or tigress's paw? I mean, walking by. I just find it hard to imagine that I cannot even go next to Varsha, where our chief minister is sending out lockdown messages, and somebody is able to, push and shove a chief minister of that state in the middle of the throes of elections with the kind of security around. Oh, I don't know. Sounds a little. What do you think, Amit? Dal mein kala, as we say.
All things are weird, man. I mean, like elections are just strangeness in and of themselves, right? All these strange stories come up and bubble up in them.
These are the
Yeah,
happy stories when
and
the
I
acting and all
think-
happens.
And it will be so boring without any of these. Imagine
Yeah.
just pitch this thing politicians without hurting any.
No, and we think of Bengal as the art landscape of India, and theater and writing and film and all this and dance and music. So it makes sense that the performance is part of it, right or no?
That's it. So Antarish, was there anything else?
That's it. There's one more. Next one comes from Abhishek Das. He says, "Does the saying "What Bengal thinks today, India thinks tomorrow" still apply?"
Oh.
Yeah, half an hour ahead of us. If you ever go there, the light breaks earlier. It's a true fact. It's a true fact.
It is
Yeah,
a true
yeah.
If you
fact.
watch cricket matches or football matches that start early, you'll see the light changes later in the rest of India. For
But
sure.
dude, it's all the way.
We
on
should
the
have
other
had
side of the country.
maybe half an hour, 45 minutes daylight savings, whatever
There
you call
should
it.
be there should be 2 time zones to
We should
India.
have
That's a
2 time
whole
zones.
different conversation.
True.
Uh,
Because the sun is certainly rising earlier in
Yeah.
Cal than it used to rise for me.
Setting faster also out of
Yeah.
here.
No, so there's this whole argument, right, that basically people who live in the eastern part of the country, their electric bills are on average higher than people who live on the western part of the country because because the sunrise is
Not anymore.
so earlier now over there.
They have no lockdown. We have full lockdown. So we'll just be spending money on air conditions every day across the board here in Maharashtra. So not anymore. West will suffer.
People in the chat are telling us that Mithun is not contesting. It seems. I think he must have backed out or something. He's not contesting elections. Multiple people are saying this in the chat.
Is it Mithun himself?
Maybe.
He loves
Yeah,
this
मैं
show.
नहीं कर रहा. मैं बाहर हूँ. मेरे को चला गया.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Have you
those
seen
are
Agnipath?
not-
National award. Huh.
Yeah. I should do that. But then frankly, I don't think that really. I think the saying of Bengal thinks today what the nation thinks tomorrow is at the moment sounding dated.
Cliche.
I wish Bengalis prove us wrong.
I think
That's
it's
all.
been dated for
Oh,
many
so
years.
what you're saying
huh?
is, oh, wait. I'm not understanding the great Amit mind process here. So what he's saying is if they reject BJP, the country will reject BJP. If they take BJP, country will again take BJP. Is that what you're saying? Is that
No. I'm just I'm not saying that at all. I'm
Too
just saying
late.
that
I feel you said
Bengal.
that.
I think Bengal has been out of touch with the rest of the country for a long time in terms of like kind of governance they generally had, right? I mean, like they did 30 years.
It's
of
also the
communist
center
rule.
isolating them, yeah, Amit. Come on.
It
They
is.
try.
They did 30
It's
years
a-
of communist rule in that state. They like literally communist rule at a
I don't
time
just mean this
when-
center, no? They've been opposed to the center and central policies and vice versa for what, 20, 30
Exactly.
years?
Yeah, no, but I mean, like when the rest of India was
has to
liberalizing,
go.
Bengal decided to be doing communism.
We have to stop because body language of the young lady here is not good. She's getting a call from the chancellor of the University of Kolkata.
Yeah.
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 No, I
The youth of Bengal wait to have this conversation and this thing. But no, I was also just like checking because there were a few people watching your show from the Pickle Jar group, and if they had something to say, you see.
Oops.
Yeah, and you have
Ouch.
many fans there, essentially, all that stuff. Anyway, let's just get back to the.
Listen, at this point in our show, if they're abusing also, it's fine as long as they're watching. We're okay with that.
I will separately inbox you that.
Please do. Like I've not been abused before. I'm not worried.
No, I heard Amit say about how Bengal has been out of touch.
That's a huge line.
Yeah,
I think it's true though. I mean, like again, rest of India is liberalizing from an economic perspective, and Bengal.
Are you talking about
communist.
Singur and the after effects
I'm
of
talking about
Tatas?
Singur to an extent. I'm talking
Are
about
you also talking about the Bhadralok of Bengal and Calcutta,
yeah.
who article has been sort of, I don't know, has been.
Not fully correct, because the Marwari community, in a sense, comes from there.
The
You
Marwari
know,
community is tiny, dude. I mean, like
but
in Bengal,
they
in
are
the context
responsible
of
for
Bengal.
25% of the millionaires of India.
Well, I'm not. I don't disagree with that. But
That comes
Bengal
from
is the
there.
big Bengal. Calcutta was the biggest trading port in India up until like I think 10
That
years
way.
after independence. So obviously there's a shit ton of money over there in Bengal, right? But at the
Yeah.
same
No,
time,
yeah.
yeah. No,
So
sorry.
the
Please
details
go
now.
ahead.
No. Sorry, I just said that I picked this up from my friend's house, and it's a very fabulous book that I'm beginning to read, The Untold Story of India's First Newspaper, and this is by Andrew Otis. And I'll just leave with one line, which was, this is a guy, this Hickey, where he has, he unearthed corruption in the British East India Company, an Irishman, and he had to pay the price for that. And so when we are talking about corruption and things in today's Bengal and generally very, very relatable stuff.
So not the indigenous population to be blamed, it's the humanic race, humanoid race
Yeah.
of evil that we have across the board. It's not just us who are bad. Fair.
Yeah.
I like this point as well. I've been saying it. Why be racist about corruption? It's there everywhere. But we are better at it.
Okay, I'll have to leave now. It was.
What do you think, Vasanti? We have nothing else to do. We have to leave also. I got dog walking. He's got to shave, and Amit has to lie down for a little while after this exertion. We've all got things to do. Don't point fingers.
So this was the news analysis, Bengal news analysis that wasn't.
Well, that's the right way to do it, because we want to keep ourselves. We are the 50% show. We want to make sure we don't rattle too many cages here. We just do our thing. So
Well,
and
thank God nobody will take anything seriously of whatever I have said just now and troll me or some such.
well, you've given TMC.
Be famous. Hopefully, you'd never know.
You've given TMC a winning till, so if they come to power, you're really safe in Cal, and if they aren't, you'll never be heard of again. But we have the show.
My mother will be so pleased to hear this. Thank you, Cyrus. Thank you.
Okay.
Amit.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, guys.
Thank you.